Hello there, everyone! Yup, welcome back to our vanity! Yeah! Video, we are going to be reviewing a product that I got from TikTok. Yup! Hello sa mga nagti-TikTok dyan, sa mga mahilig mag-TikToks, sa mga small businesses using social media like TikTok, Facebook, etc. etc. Hello sa inyong lahat. Saludo ako sa inyo kasi without you, hindi namin madidiscover that there are some products that is existing in this world. Yup! Anyway, we are going to be talking about the Monodent Magnetic Mink Lashes. According sa kanyang TikTok, this is the first mink lashes launch in Japan. I already have an idea about magnetic lashes kasi way back months ago I reviewed this magnetic eyelash using the clip-on. Ito yung pinakaunang magnetic eyelash na ni-launch. Yup! Sa beauty market natin, and I tried this. I got this for 5,000 yen, and this is a fail for me kasi nga ang hirap nung kiniklik, hindi talaga siya nababalance. Well, actually, there is a lot of magnetic eyelashes na nasa TikTok, and since this Monodent Magnetic Mink Lashes is a mink lashes, and alam ko kapag mink lashes, makapal siya, meron siyang volume, it's so irresistible not to try kasi talagang I am into lashes. Gusto ko yung makapal ang aking lashes. Gusto ko yung sobrang bonggang aking aura kapag ako ay naglalashes. So, ayan na nga. Let us now dig into these lashes and let's see if these lashes will work into my eyes, if this is easy to put on, and yep. Let's dig into the product. I got this for 2,500 yen because I pre-ordered this product before their launching. So, in-order ko to siguro ng mga before February 11. So, kapag nag-order ka before they launch this product here in Japan, you're gonna get this for 2,500, but the original price is 3,500 yen. This is a magnetic mink lashes using an eyeliner. The product looks like this. This has a great packaging. Napaka-hard ng kanyang packaging. Alam mong hindi nagtipid. And nandito nakalagay yung Monodent Magnetic Mink Lashes na naka-emboss dito sa plastic covering niya. And ganito ang itsura niya at the back. Nakalagay yung lahat ng information about Monodent. Why choose Monodent Magnetic Lashes. Tapos nakalagay din dito how to use it, magnetic lash care, and love our lashes. Show us some love. Lahat ng details with regards to this product nakalagay, nakadetalye sa likod. And on this part naman nakalagay dito yung kanilang motto, which is know your worth and slay every day. Yup, as she slays sa TikTok. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. Pull this ribbon. Tapos, ganitong itsura niya sa loob. This is the lashes. Wala siyang covering. But, yung packaging niya is so glittery na hindi nagtatransfer sa aking fingers. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. And, eto na yung pinaka-product itself. Lashes looks like this. Meron siyang magnet. Here. At sobra talaga ang kanyang pagkakapal. I believe this is a real mink lashes. Of course, it includes this one. This is the eyeliner. And gantong itsura. This is the magnetic liquid eyeliner. Isa lang ang ikinatatakot ko dito kung magkakaroon ako ng kulite using this eyeliner. Kasi minsan talaga there are some products na nagko-cause ng mebo or kulite sa atin. I hope hindi yun mangyari sa aking mata because I hate it. So this is the magnetic liquid eyeliner. You can't use this product without this eyeliner. And I am not sure kung ibang eyeliner ba is mag-work dito sa kanilang lashes. So, we will try that someday. So, itong itsura ng kanyang magnetic liquid liner. Nakalagay din yung Monodent here. And the packaging is good. And nakalagay din sa likod yung kanyang ingredients here. The magnetic eyeline looks like this. Naka-emboss din yung kanyang name here. The case is, alam mo yung parang metal kind. Hindi siya plastic, para siyang metal kind of packaging. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. And ganito ang itsura niya. Parang ang hirap lang mag-apply ng ganitong kind of applicator sa ating eyeliner. But we are going to try this we are going to try this one now and let us see if this product applies easily rather than this one. If this product will work into my eyes. Maganda ba ang kakalabasan ng aura natin using this Monodet Magnetic Mink Lashes? So, let's do this. It's so long and parang medyo mahihirapan ako mag-apply ng eyeline using this kind of applicator. But we'll try this. Already dried, and ayan, first impression sa magnetic eyeline is that medyo sticky siya and you should be very careful upon applying kasi kahit ako, medyo sanay na ako mag-apply but still nagkaroon pa rin ng blot here, kaya be very careful when applying this eyeliner at mahirap siyang matanggal. So let us now apply this mink eyelash into my right eyes and let's see if this will work or not. It is working! Ang ganda niya! And it is so easy to apply kasi ayan, naikabit ko na siya agad without any effort. Ang ganda ito talaga yung ini-imagine kong volume na eyelash na gusto ko. So, kabit natin yung isa and tingnan natin yung pinaka-aura ko. So, this is it. This is now the product and I am loving this so much kasi this is what I imagined before I purchased this sa TikTok. Ito talaga yung ini-imagine ko. The volume, the mink lash, talagang ang kapal niya. It's so beautiful. It is so easy to apply. Kaya it is so this one is recommendable sa mga hindi masyadong marunong gumamit ng eyelash using the glue one. Yun nga lang, you should be very careful using the eyeliner kasi kapag hindi din kayo sanay mag-eyeline, medyo mahihirapan kayo. And yep, lahat naman ng bagay sa mundong ito ay natututunan kapag gusto ninyo sa pagpapaganda. Tiis ganda tayo. Ganda lang tayo. We can do it. And yep, ang ganda talaga niya. Anyway, nakalimutan ko sabihin, I got the Audrey. Marami silang kinds. If you are into eyelash, pero medyo nahihirapan kayo magkabit ng glue or hindi kayo sanay, try this product. Medyo okay siyang ilagay sa mata, unlike the glue one and this magnetic one here. Yep, I am recommending this eyelash sa inyo, lalo na sa mga mahilig mag-eyelash dyan or for those who love to put eyelashes na hindi masyadong marunong or medyo mentok sa'yo maglagay ng glue. This one is for you. This is so easy to apply and yan, in just one click, naka-aura na kayo agad. Yep, I hope you enjoyed watching this beauty review. Maraming salamat po. Always, domo arigatou gozaimasu and see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye!